I'm having a oiling problem. This is the holes I use. Here's the port. There's another set for other makes and models of chainsaws. My bar is not getting oil. There's tons of people that have gotten carving bars and probably have similar problems. Two different ports, one's forward and one's back. Had to do some welding, had to do some clean out to clean up my welds. So I went that far just for this carving bar. That's what it was looking like, and this is what it looks like now to get the performance that I wanted. I'm going to test it out. So now it has one adjuster where the knob goes to adjust the tension, and one port. After the oil comes in this hole and it starts traveling, it's going to keep traveling. It's not going to drop down into here. It's not going to drop down into where this hole was. Usually by now, it would have been heating up already. Here's the factory bar. Here's these two holes, and there's the port. On the carving bar, it has these two holes and a port, and then it has two bigger holes here and another port. You can actually paint oil, and I was never able to do that. Look at all that oil. I could never get that much oil to spray out. And now it is pouring out in this chain, oil that's just coming out. And this chain is super wet, like it's supposed to be. I mean, you could see, look at right here. See the oil? You could see the oil on the inner part. It's crazy. I couldn't believe that universal bars set up for different saws to use the back one. If I was using the front one, I think the oil wouldn't go through, obviously, because there wouldn't be any downfall of the port. So that was my problem, guys.